Hi, this is Larry Davis with PrimeLending, the Davis team, and I wanted to take a minute to send you this short video and first of all congratulate you on getting your offer accepted on your new home, and also to thank you for letting us assist with getting your home loan. Now that we are ready to start the process, we will send you your initial disclosures that you will be able to review and e-sign. We'll also order your appraisal report, and we will keep you updated on the progress of the appraisal inspection and when that is due back. During the process, my assistant Julia Colosi and my production manager Dan Ryan will also be sending out updates. They'll send you any need list of items that we may need as far as additional documentation for the loan file. And once we get through the initial process and have a complete file, we'll get it ready to submit to underwriting for final loan approval. And we'll walk you through that process when we get there. Once we get the final approval back, there'll probably be some approval conditions that we need to address, which is very normal, very common. Once that is done, we'll order your final closing disclosure, which is a recap of the numbers and the original estimates that we went over in the beginning. And then we can order your final loan documents and coordinate with escrow for the final signing, work with the agents, and make sure everybody's on track to meet your closing date for the purchase. So again, we're very excited to help with your home loan. Looking forward to a smooth process. And if you need anything at all or you have any questions, please call us immediately, and we'll look forward to helping you and getting you into your new home. Have a great day.